Today we are going to make a maternity dress, so I hope you enjoy and stay tuned. Alright, so these are the fabrics that I'm going to use for this design. I have here the floral lace, which is so beautiful. It has a little bit of glitter. And I'm gonna be using a nude net. This is stretchable. It's gonna be like an underlay. And this is also a net, but it's not stretchy. It's a bit dark and it is pleated. So this is most likely would look really nice on a skirt. So I'm just gonna layer these two. Alright, so those are the fabrics and these are the patterns. So I already did the pattern last night. This is the front. So this is based on the size of the dress form. And this is the front empire cut. And this is the back. And you can check on YouTube, you know, how to do the basic when it comes to tracing your patterns on a dress form. And just feel free to check it out. So we're gonna go ahead with cutting the fabric. So I have here the pattern. Since my pattern is not sheer paper, and for me to be able to see all the patterns of the fabric, so I would prefer to put the fabric on top. So I already aligned which part goes to. See the darts over here at the back, so this is good. I can go ahead with putting weights on. To make sure to reinforce it, I put pins on the corners. But for professionals, they have different technique when it comes to lace patterns. Second layer. These are all the pattern pieces, and let's sew them together. This is the back, and I can show you the front. So I decided to put only the nude underlay at the front. Since the back, it would be more sexier if it's just plain lace like this one. Should be fine. It's optional. You can either put a nude underlay or just plain lace. Either ways, it would still look amazing and sexy. So there's the detail. Alright, so finally I finished sewing the top part, and we're gonna do a fitting. So far it's good. I'm gonna put the skirt later. This is the back. It's sheer. Ta-da! Top is finished. For today, we're gonna finish this dress with the floral embroidered stick-on. So it's much more easier. Like I have the option either if I wanted to hand stitch it or just leave it as a stick-on. As you see, I've already stitched on the sleeves with the petal. So today we're gonna finish up this dress with steaming on the stick-on embroidered lace. So let's go ahead. So with this net, I'm confident that the lace won't stick to my steamer. It's been proven and tested. But sometimes, you know, like I forget. Those things happened. What you can do. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix my mistake. And be careful too, because the steam is really hot. You have to be careful. I made some mistake. I forgot to put this first. So we get a hole. Let me zoom that in. So I get a hole over here. In case that happened, it got burned. There's some hole happening on the lace. You know, you don't have to worry. We can find some solution. If you still have a piece of the lace, then we can just put it over here and arrange it as if it's part of the motif. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna grab my scissor. It's a bit big, but I can try. There you go. And it looks perfect. Looks like nothing happened. Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching. Today I learned a very important lesson. I already know that when working with lace, we have to use like a net overlay before you iron, before you steam. But today I just forgot. I was like so confident, like, you know, it's gonna be smooth, but then I turned my iron too high and it got too hot. And so it ruined this part here. But at least we can always look for other options and other ways to solve it. And so today we've solved a problem, and that's nice. So always when we use lace, especially very sensitive and very sheer lace, always use this whenever you use steam or iron. Overall, it's a good day, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more of the tutorial, like dress tutorial, just let me know on the comment section down below. Bye!